I was just talking about this shit yesterday, bro. It's on.
My niggas always skied up, we can't be barefaced. ARP right to his dumb, just like a bottle of some hairspray. How these niggas out here acting like a grizzly, I think they barefaced. I just gave my bitch a band for that new wig, that's just her hair paint. Brand balls be.
Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
It was more 345 tail, man.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Anyway, what's the deal?
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy, PTS Take back at it again.
We don't give a fuck about your intro, nigga. It's not your YouTube video, nigga. Damn, bro. What's the deal, YouTube?
It's your boy, 345 slow, nigga.
What's the YouTube? It's your boy, 345 tail, man. Back at it again with another video, man. Today, we just picked up my son right there and shit. You feel me? This outside. We on our way right now. We are currently on our way to get me some tires because my tires is bald as hell. So every time I drive on the freeway or anything and I hit the gas, my car wanna go the opposite way. So, therefore, we finna go get some new tires to have a smoother ride and my car will feel faster again. We'll be back to you when we on the road. So man, we back with the POV drive. You feel me? Not POV drive, but POV drive to the tire shop. We gonna throw it in sport for you.
Got my shit muted, nigga.
You feel how this bitch all over the place though, bro? These tires is so chopped. Like this bitch so wobbly right now. Like any wrong, and this bitch is all over the place. I ain't gonna lie.
You see Liam video?
All this vibration because of the tires and shit. This shit so ass. Like, it don't feel bad. Chat. It don't feel bad, chat. On the road, chat. But on the freeway, chat, it feel crazy, chat. What kind of pool y'all want? Hold on. Give y'all. Hold on. Oh, my shit. My shit not in manual. It bitch just shifted for me. I'm like, what the fuck? All right, retry, chat. It's a retry right here, chat. There we go, chat. Oh, she eating, chat. She eating, chat. All right, we gonna slow down because this bitch get to shaking because of these fucking tires. When I take off my tires, y'all gonna be like, damn. Put some new tires on, man. We got son over here just chewing and shit. Oh yeah.
Make sure I ain't accident on my lip. You ain't put no work in it.
Like this shit feels so crazy driving on the freeway right now. Uh-oh. Van Dyke. Like you feel this bitch though? This bitch up. This motherfucker like a handicapped motherfucker on the freeway. Huh?
Weak ass heavy down catch struts.
Nigga, it's not the struts, nigga. It's the tires, nigga! Damn, boy!
You gonna get tired. Like, bro, this shit still swing.
Crazy as hell, watch. Actually leaving the tire shop, I'm doing a pull off that badge. What is say, Scud?
Nigga, get off on Van Dyke, nigga.
I'm saying though, Scud, like,
You about to turn left?
like turn left or right, nigga. Damn, nigga. Man, oh shit. That little boompy boom. Turn right. Nigga, watch this. Give a fuck about no motherfucking. Nah, let me chill out though, Scud. I do need my license, Scud. I need my shit. I need my shit, Scud. That was voice. Nigga pointed me to a fucking V6. Ooh, Mustang doing Mustang things. That nigga bust a U-turn, literally. Ooh, you hear Putin? He on some bullshit.
You would have made it.
Yeah, he on some bullshit. Just cause of that, I'm finna horse his bitch ass now. Finna horse his bitch ass now. They ain't got no cats out front, man. Man, where them cats, tracks, and scats at, man?
Ain't got no more cats in that.
Did I just say that, chat?
Yeah,
Where I go now? Keep straight? Damn, bro. That's a long way, bro. That's a long way, bro.
that's in my video and your ass turning in directions and shit.
That's a long way. Bro, you had all day to edit a video. Chat. I'm at work, right? Made the video same day I got work. Edited the same day. Meanwhile, this nigga at home on the game. Get off the game and just chilling.
No, nigga.
He not motivated, chat. He really don't want this shit, chat. Like, I really want this shit, chat. Hold on, pull, chat, pull. Oh my God, guys. Bro, I promise you, bro, this thing feels like a fucking Hellcat. Yeah. I'm probably like, every time this nigga record, he ain't got no gas in his bitch.
On the 300 dash.
What?
Stupid ass.
Nigga, no, nigga, I got red stitching on my, like, what the fuck, nigga, 39 deuce on that? Like, you crazy, nigga. You crazy as hell. Went to the steering wheel. Man, wait till the steering wheel cover come on this motherfucker. Ooh, good steering wheel cover on my shit.
Cap.
Steering wheel cover, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I wanna do a tune-up and an oil change probably before snow drops. Definitely an oil change though, but I'm gonna try to get a tune-up too. Well, I'm gonna do the tune-up myself, but you know, real mechanic and shit.
Let me work in this.
Why my shit be downshifting like that?
19 plus.
Huh?
It's 18 plus.
Alright, y'all. I'll get back to y'all when we at the tire shop. Alright, YouTube, man. We back, man. We got the tires put on here now. I ain't gonna lie. Old tires was cooked. I should have took a picture of it. Yeah. All the tires was cooked and shit.
Yeah, bubbles in
That bitch had a big. Boy, I gotta feel a little something. And then this is school zone. Never do it by a school zone, guys. I ain't gonna lie though, y'all. The car pat better now. Oh my god. We ain't doing no more burnouts on these tires, nigga. You can catch me in the burners, not these ones though, Scud. I'm not doing it, Scud. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, when I show y'all the tires and tell y'all how much I pay, y'all niggas gonna be like, you capping, bro. This is plus installation too. For real. But I'm gonna pull over at one of these little parking lots when I get close by to my parents' crib, and I'm gonna show y'all the tires. I might just show y'all the tires at my parents' house, but well, no, I gotta go to AutoZone, so I'm gonna just show y'all the tires at AutoZone. But this no, this not the end of this video. I get back to y'all when we show y'all the tires. I'm back. You feel me? Better be overly commemorated. Come on, get up, cause we gotta go with Dada. Ooh, look at this, y'all. We got
Nice.
good meats, boy. Oh my god. She looking hefty. We got good meats on here now. What?
That is crazy.
That ain't for me. That's from them other niggas. We got good meats all around now, man. Good old meats, man. I ain't gonna lie. All 4 tires is mismatched. Ain't it? That's Cooper. This is Saints. What? Oh, I said throw them in the front so it won't rub, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna throw these back in the back. But we got the car right here. It's gonna be the end of this video, man. Catch y'all in the next video.
Fight!